In this video, I'll explain what free cash is, how it works, and whether it's actually legit in the United States. Free cash is an online rewards platform where users earn points by completing simple tasks. These tasks include answering surveys, testing apps, and completing promotional offers. Many people use free cash as a side income option, not a full-time job. Earnings depend on your location, the type of tasks available, and how much time you spend on the platform. After completing tasks, users can redeem their points through PayPal, gift cards, or other available rewards depending on their region. It's important to understand that free cash does not offer guaranteed income. Some users earn more, while others earn less. Results vary for everyone. Free cash is popular in countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, which is why many American users report better task availability. Before using any earning app, always read the terms, avoid paying upfront fees, and never rely on it as your main source of income. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more honest app reviews and side hustle information. Many people today look for simple ways to earn online in their free time. One popular option is using reward-based platforms. Free cash is one example of a rewards platform where users can complete simple tasks. These tasks may include online surveys, app testing, or trying new offers. Some users earn points by completing these tasks, and those points can be redeemed for gift cards or cash rewards. However, results can vary from person to person. Platforms like free cash are usually used as side income options, not as a full-time source of earnings. Spending a small amount of free time daily can be helpful for some users. It is always important to read the instructions carefully and choose tasks that feel comfortable and simple. Online earning requires patience and consistency. Always explore options responsibly, and free cash is a rewards-based platform that some people use to earn online. It allows users to complete simple tasks using their mobile phones or computers. These tasks may include online surveys, trying new apps, or testing services. By completing such tasks, users can earn points on the platform. The points earned can later be exchanged for gift cards or cash rewards, depending on the options available in the app. Many users prefer using platforms like free cash as a side option, especially in their free time. It is not a guaranteed income source, but some people find it useful. Results can vary from person to person, so it is important to stay realistic and consistent while using such platforms.
If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more simple online earning ideas.